Chapter 11, the assess, page 142, 143. I won't do anything from page 142, a little bit basic and boring. I will go straight to question 6. It says here that John uses the formula P equals, what do we got here? P equals 2L plus 2W to find the perimeter of rectangles. There's a rectangle. I suppose that's the W and that's the L, but who am I to know? The length L, yes, and the width is W. John uses the formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Now use the formula to find the perimeter when L equals 8 and W equals 5. Okay, perimeter equals 2 lots of 8 for length plus 2 lots of the width of 5 centimeters. Well, that's 16 plus 10. We'll come to 26 centimeter perimeter all the way around. All right. So there's another L and there's another W. All right. Work out the perimeter when the width is 11. Okay, so P equals 2 times, and the length is 4, so it's 2 4s plus 2 11s. It's a big wide thing, so that's 8 plus 22. Answer 30 centimeters, not a problem. Nice one. Question 7, I like this. Mary used the formula V equals U plus 80. We've come across it in a previous video. In science, find V if A equals minus 5. So I'm substituting into a formula and getting a value. For V, the U is 24 and the T is 3. So let's substitute that in. So V is going to be 24 plus minus 5 times 3. So we've got 24. Now, minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. That takes precedence over the plus there. So add on a minus 5 times 3 means add on a minus 15. So 24 take away 15, you're looking at 9. And that'll be a velocity of 9 meters per second, I'm sure. That's what the story's about. Number 8, Jake is having a birthday party. His mum, good old mummy, buys X packs of balloons, they're balloons, and Y packets of tweeters. I don't know what tweeter is, but anyway, she's going to buy them. Each pack of balloons costs 25p, and one tweeter costs 14p. Write down an expression. Please note expression. No equals is anywhere. An expression for the total cost of the balloons and tweeters. Right. Balloons cost 25p a pack, so it's 25 lots of X, and tweeters cost 14 pence a go, so it's 14 Ys, and total means add them up, and there's the expression. That's it. Here we go. I've got a few more bits and pieces. Question 9. I've got this here. M equals 4n plus p, and I've got 3m equals 2m plus 5. I've got m plus 3n. Now these are 3 offerings, and which of these words, expression, equation, and formula, best describes the following? Right, let's have a look. So I've got expression, will be that one down there. It's just a little piece of math speak involving m's and n's. You can't simplify it any further. You can't calculate anything with it. There's no equals is there. It's just simple expression. So that's an example of an expression. 3m equals 2m plus 5. I can actually work out what m is. Therefore, that's an equation which can be solved. Now, m equals 4n plus p. I don't know what m is about, I don't know what n is about, I don't know what p is about, but these are 3 different unknowns, and that is therefore a formula for something. I cannot solve any of these, so it's a formula. Got an equal on it, so m equals 4n plus 2p plus a p on its own. That's a formula about I don't know what. What else we got? Karen is using that formula. We've done this one before. Let's just turn over, because we're now going to rearrange something. Make x the subject of the equation. Right, I've got y equals 4x minus 7. To get 4x on its own, the minus 7 comes next door, gets added. So that's going to be y plus 7. And to get x all on its own, just divide by 4. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Rearrange the formula. Here's another one. Question 12. M equals 3 lots of C minus 2, and I've got to get C to be the formula. Well, look, the 3 is multiplying the bracket. If I go multiply all this out, it's quite unnecessary. Let's just take the 3 over and divide, because it's multiplying. So I've got C minus 2, all left open planned, equals M. divided by 3. It was multiplying. Take an next door, perform the inverse operation and divide. So to get C on its own, we've got m over 3, and the minus 2 becomes positive next door. Take it over and add it, and that's how I was taught anyway. I really like this method. It's uncomplicated, and just remember to do the inverse operation, you'll be fine. What else we got? I might as well do the exam style question. It's quite a short assess section. Right, a shopkeeper uses this formula to calculate the total cost when customers pay by monthly instalments. So C must be the cost, equals D plus 24 times M. Now that should be 24M really, but that's what it says in the book. C is the cost, D is the deposit in pounds, and M is the monthly instalment. Okay, a deposit for a wardrobe is £16. Let's put 16 in there. The monthly repayments on that wardrobe is £10 a time. What is the total cost? Let's go. C equals 16 plus 24, lots of 10. That's 16 plus 240. That wardrobe's going to cost £256. Quite some wardrobe. Right, how many years does it take to finish paying for goods using this formula? I don't know. Yeah, actually I do know. That 24 is 24 months, because if M is the monthly instalment, the minimum requirement would be to pay it off in 24 months. So therefore 2 years. Is that alright? What is the, yeah, there you go. Takes 2 years to pay anything off. Right, the total cost of the sofa is £600. So here I go, write the formula again. So C equals D plus 24M. The total cost is £600. £600. The deposit is £120. Work out the value of the monthly instalments. In other words, how much you pay per month? Question mark. Let's shove in the numbers. Work over here. 600 equals 120 plus 24 monthly instalments. Take away the 120. So I've got 24 times the monthly instalments will be 600 minus the 120. That's going to be £480. Therefore the monthly payment is going to be 480 divided by the 24, and look at that, 24 goes into 48 twice, £20 per month. Is that alright? Lovely. So £20 per month for the next 2 years. Oh, that's heavy going. Anyway, it's better than a mortgage. But that's the end of assess on chapter 11, and that's it. So I'm going to look at chapter 12, and I'll be with you probably today. Not that you'd notice anyway.